Hello, this is Mrs. Dotson, your school counselor here at Keys High School. Today we are going to go over the different graduation plans that are offered at Keys High School. There are two types of plans, the required plan and the foundations without endorsements. Both involve earning course credits and passing the state exams. Before we can look closer at the graduation plans, we need to understand what a cohort is. The year you are supposed to graduate from high school is called your cohort. The cohort determines the student's graduation plan. The cohort also determines what state testing the student is required to pass, either the tax test or the EOC exams. To determine your cohort, look at what year you started your 9th grade. Now let's look at some details. We're going to use this chart to help us determine which graduation plan and which state testing we will be required to have in order to graduate from high school. So if I was a freshman or started 9th grade in 2010-2011, my cohort or graduation year will be 2014. I will be on the required graduation plan and I will be taking the tax test. If I started my freshman year in 2011-2012, my cohort or graduation year is 2015. I will be on the required graduation plan and I will take the EOC exams. If we move forward to starting your freshman year in 2014-2015, you will have a graduation year of 2018. That will be your cohort. You will be on the foundations plan and you will be taking the EOC. So years prior to 2017 will be a part of the required plan and take the EOC. Unless your cohort is 2014, you would take the tax. And then those who have a cohort of 2018 or beyond will be on the foundations plan and will be taking the EOC. So let's look at the difference between the two plans. First, we have the required plan. This is for the class of 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017. So basically, the graduation year 2017 and before. You can see on this list you'll be required to take 4 credits of English, English 1, 2, 3, and 4, 3 credits of science, IPC, biology, chemistry, or environmental systems, 3 credits of social studies, world geography, U.S. history, government and economics, 3 credits of math, must include Algebra 1, geometry, and 1 other math. And at Keys, we offer math models. PE, you will need 1 credit, so that's 2 semesters of PE. 1 semester of health, 1 semester of professional communications, 1 credit of technology, and at Keys we offer BIM, a fine art credit. At Keys we offer Art 1, and then any 5 credits that are electives. For the Foundations Without Endorsement plan, you can see that everything is the same except for the world language. So those of you that are class of 2018 and beyond, you will have to have 2 credits of a foreign language. So that's 2 credits in the same language, such as Spanish 1 and Spanish 2. That would work. And also you'll notice here that the electives are now 3 credits instead of 5. But both plans have a total of 22 credits to graduate from high school. Now let's look at the state testing, either the tax test or the EOC. If you are a cohort of 2014 and before, you will be taking the tax test, ELA, math, science, and social studies. If you are a cohort of 2015 and beyond, you will take English 1, biology, Algebra 1, English 2, and U.S. history. There are a few exemptions. So for instance, if you took the course outside of the state of Texas, you're going to be exempt from the exam. For instance, I passed biology when I lived in the state of Florida, I'm exempt from the biology EOC, but I still have to take the remaining 4 EOC exams. So you can talk to your teachers or me, Mrs. Dodson, if you have any questions about your tax or EOC exams. Another important part of graduation plans is understanding the grade level classification. This does differ somewhat from Bell and Trinity, but at Keyes High School you're considered a freshman if you have 0 to 4.5 credits, a sophomore if you have 5 to 10.5 credits, a junior if you have 11 to 16 credits, and a senior if you have 16.5 to 22 credits. Graduation credit checklist. The next lesson will be over the transcripts and the graduation credit checklist. The transcript details will be reviewed, and students will create their own credit checklist. This will let you know which classes you already have credit for and which ones you still need. This was a brief summary of the graduation plans and other information. If you have any questions, please contact me, Mrs. Dodson. And one final note, Keyes High School does have a Facebook page, so if you will please like our Facebook page, we're going to be including important information on this website. Thank you. Have a good day.